What's up, guys? So back with a video here. We got a video from Ringke. This one's sponsored, and it's like they sent me these things. They're not paying me. Basically, Dear John, was showing this is our Mi Max Fusion clear case and the Mi Max 3. They sent me the ring slot card holder. So we're gonna check this out. I already did a fast unboxing when I was out, but we're gonna do a real one. There's the barcode for you guys that want to check it out. This case is $9.99, and this is a ring card holder. I've never seen this before. This goes for $11.99. Again, there's the QR code. All right, you can see that it's already on my phone. I actually already bought one. Probably gonna keep it, keep the other one for like seconds, because I do like it. Military grade drop for $9.99, the Mi Max. But let's open it up and show you guys what you get. What you get for your 10 bucks. Today you don't get a lot for 10 bucks. So you get your usual books and crap. You get some coupon codes. They tell you how to use the case. Now we all know how to do that. Peel this jazz off. You peel that jazz off. And then you wind up with like this. See that lip? I got tempered glass on here too. You got a nice lip that goes all around that phone. It's beautiful. I love this case. Plus it shows off that nice hotness hotness blue on the back. We'll put this up on here so you can check that hotness out. I love the blue. All right, so let's check this out. I've never seen this before. Again, this goes for $11.99. Let's give this a check. See what this rocks out as. All right, so it looks like it's held by 3M. I guess something like this would be useful on such a large phone. Let's see how it works. I'm not one for, probably gonna get somebody yelling in the comments. I'll read directions, but I'm just yanking it off. All right, so yanked it off. I guess I'll install it because it really is a little bit of a pain in the rear end. Install it on here and see what it looks like. All right, so you got your 3M poles. I got a little bit of a nail. Thankfully, this is probably a real pain. So we'll pull that. And pull. Pull that side. Is there a thing that says this side up or something like that? It looks like the cards go in here, so I'm going to assume that's the up. Now for placement, let's see if I can get this on video. I want to go somewhere in the middle. I'll tell you about there looks legit. All right, now that's on there. Now the benefit of having something like this, I'm sure you guys have seen it, it's kind of like a pop socket. That way you can hold it, and it won't fall out of your hand. This is a big phone. And then you could put, I assume, a card. Let's get my Amex out. And there you go. Amex card pops in the back. So this is perfect, like if you're going out for the night or whatever, and you just want to carry your Mi Max, call it a day. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video. Leave it a thumbs up if you like it, share it around, throw me some comments down below if you got any ideas or anything else you want me to check out. Alrighty guys, see you in the next one. Peace.